dust on his feet. Kalo'otou walking through the drums and heat. 7 kings falling, bones beneath the throne. Crown full of hunger, calling out his name. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's God has walked ahead. Fire tried to drink my breath, grace said no, grace said no. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's tears are never dead. In the night when fear said yes, God said no, let him go. They brought that iron, black with ancient hands. Voices of the fathers whispered in the sand. I will not bow here, I will stand and see Mama in the shadows, laying hands on me. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's God has walked ahead. Fire tried to drink my breath, grace said no, grace said no. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's tears are never dead. In the night when fear said yes, God said no, let him go. Stranger by the river, quiet like a spear, eyes like far thunder, voice I had to hear. Walk into the circle, do not turn around. I will stand beside you when they lift the crown. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's God has walked ahead. Fire tried to drink my breath, grace said no, grace said no. Crown that could not eat my head, Mama's tears are never dead. In the night when fear said yes, God said no, let him go. Banky Wadawa, sing it through the years. Kalo'otou standing taller than his fear. 7 kings taken, 1 man still on his feet. Blessed be the power crown could never eat. Mm-hmm.